Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. My name is Ahmad Amirullah bin Abdul Rahman S55483. Okay, I'm as a leader from Group 7 will present about the ship management, how the organization structure in shipping company and effect of COVID-19 in ship management. Okay, firstly, I would like to introduce my group member first.
My name is Nur Naziha binti Muhammad Jabri. My matric number S55408.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Nabila binti Amiruddin S55372.
Hello, my name is Lang Kuan Shen, S55475.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Saudi bin Abdullah. My number matric is 55402. Our group are discuss about the ship management. What is the ship management? Ship management can be defined such as a process of operating a ship. There are firms who are responsible to use the ship or independent owners or those other companies. Basically, ship owners had signed a contract and lease the ship for a given period of time to the ship management company. As a ship management company, they are need to provide a good ships and also good service for their clients. This is because the ship owner can find or use another ship company due to the bad service that provide from ship management. In other hand, ship management need to ensure the safety of crews. They have to make sure the crews in a good condition and safety.
So next, we're gonna discuss about the 6 division of shipping management, which is fleet management, investment, financial, purchasing, technical, and marketing. Okay, first for fleet management, in a simple words, it's allow a fleet manager to have relevant information on their performance of their fleets at their fingertips. As we know, shipping industry is a big industry which involved in many aspects. For example, fleet management improve the operation by providing quick access of data for shipping management. Next, for store and department, they able to plan the inventory out and in systematically. Furthermore, fleet management tendency to locate it and scheduling place for maintenance systematically. And last but not least, querying system become more efficient as it's allowed the human resources to plan and schedule the new change of worker on the same data in real time, significantly cutting down an administration costs.
So the first is financial function. So what is the financial functions? What the financials will what in the shipping company? So the financial is defined as the management of the money and includes activities such as investing, borrowing, lending, budgeting, saving, and also the forecasting. So I would like to direct to the point. Okay, before starting a shipping business, the shipping management should identify the financial conditions in their company, so they can understand how much the capital they have and how much they need to borrow, and subsequently, they can find the financial resource, maybe can from the personal or corporate or from the government institutions. Uh, in addition, the shipping company not only just find one financial institutions, but they need to find more than one for they can make the comparisons, and this can help them to earn more profit. So after the shipping company get the financial resource, the financial management manager play a very important roles to make some important decisions in several aspects. First thing the financial manager can do is he should allocate well the company funds which could help the company generate more profit and save the costs. This like such as in the capital budgeting decisions, management of much buying or leasing the assets. The second thing is shipping management also need to take into consideration the cash flow after successfully generating the profit. Shipping management should distribute the profit efficiency, which they need to take into considerations to return the cash to the owner whether it's in the maintenance fees, crews, and other corporation fees. This will how shipping company can grow very well.
Now we talk about investment. Investment can define as an asset item purchased with the hope that will generate income. There are those or organization can invest to get more income. The income is not static. This is because they are hanging on economics or how the company doing the business. Investment are important to make sure the financial in organization stable. Who are responsible to invest in organization? The finance and accounting department are vital to invest and also to ensuring the financial efficient financial. This is because the good financial and controls necessary to support all business activities.
I will explain about marketing. Marketing is very important in shipping company. One of it is company need to identify a market. Company need to select a group of people to focus on their marketing mix. First, company need to do some research on how big the size of the market. Second is company need to identify the competitors. This process will help company to stick to the same idea as competitor or to create a new idea. Third is company need to look at the geographic market. To make it simple, it is a process where company need to do some research on what kind of product or services that people at certain area prefer. Next, we proceed to another point, which is purchasing to get the economy of scale. Economy of scale is a cost advantage that the company will get if the production becomes more efficient. To achieve the economy of scale is by increasing the production and at the same time is lowering the cost. For example, the company can replace the manpower by purchase the machine because the machine is more effective and efficient than the manpower.
Okay, I will continue this presentation to present about the technical. Okay, technical is defined that the knowledge and capabilities to perform specialized tasks relate to the specific field to achieve their goal. All kind of field have their technical skills necessary for their respective profession. In shipping industry, technical department skills are not related only for machine, production, tools, or equipment, but also they are skills that will be required to increase their sale or service. Okay, in shipping industry, the technical department manage ship operation, maintenance, storage, repair, and maintenance of the vessel. It serves to ensure that every piece of equipment on board are working properly during the voyage. Any problem or damage that occur to a ship can be detected immediately and repaired to ensure ship can operate properly. It's important to avoid accident during voyage. This department not only manage the ship operation but also responsible to ensuring the safety the crew on board. Okay, after that, ship management service are undertaken by a dedicated technical department, including expert team of marine engineer, purchasing, information technology, safety and quality, and environmental protection. To conclude, this technical field is important to ensure that ship can operate well throughout the voyage. With this, the company will be able to avoid incurring losses due to the problem that occur during the voyage. Okay, thank you.
So that's how COVID-19 affected the ship management. For fleet management, problem occurred when the seafarer was stranded worldwide as the lockdown caused the port closure. It's issued the safety on board and seafarer welfare. It must be terrifying for them to extend their working hours. This situation could lead to the human error, which it is concerned about the family, physical and mental health. So, what is the alternative solution? So, for the solution, fleet manager should do an adjustment to their work and rest hour to avoid crew fatigue and make sure them to work in the good condition.
So next, as you can see the graph, it shows the falling of drastically of the maritime trade during the pandemic. The pandemic is giving rise to the unsustainable debt burden in many countries, including Malaysia, which further endangering their effort on mobilizing sufficient resources to achieve sustainable supply chain. COVID-19 disrupted the supply chain as it slowed down the loading, unloading, and clearance of the goods. This thing delayed the ship until they need to do an extra transit. So it needs more cost. So for the solution, the ship management through the border agency, port authority, and custom made reform to keep trade flowing while keeping the people safe. So for technically, the delay and port closure affected the vessel performance and shortage supply of the mechanical and electronic spare part of vessel. This disrupted the ship operation. For the solution, the marketing people should build a strong relationship with the supplier by offering them a win-win situation to maintain the cycle. Also, manager need to replan and reorder the supply and maintenance for the vessel. The conclusion, the ship management, financial, fleet, investment, marketing, purchasing, and technical play important role sustainably acclimatizing the maritime industry to become successful and effective.